It's a reason. For the point, it sounds brilliant. What I like to hear, and it don't go out the other ear. Yeah, I swear, it sounds brilliant. Better than nothing, zero ain't shit really. What's your fantastic words they bring up to me? It sounds brilliant. Everything is great looking. It sounds brilliant. Studies of science, it's pretty timely. If somebody says something else is their name, then they're mindless. Someone named Marquise is not light skin. Put some money up, somebody here fucked up, like they don't like it. Good enough, cause I know how the result is. A year and a half ago from October 2015, I was in placement. Running forward legs, like the Carter 3 on time. I'm talking about Prime Weezy. How he shitting 20s out his ass when he don't got paper bags tied around his face just like a fucking mask. I been knew how to dress and get fresh, like I just bumping the swag. Right now I got my own goals, and I'm looking forward to that. It's a reason for the point, it sounds brilliant. What I like to hear, and it don't go out the other ear. Yeah, I swear, it sounds brilliant. Better than nothing, zero ain't shit really. Which is fantastic words they bring up to me. It sounds brilliant. Everything is great looking. It sounds brilliant. It sounds brilliant. Very nice. I wanna hear a lyrics certificate. I wanna buy all my days, perhaps, and never take back that I'm a metal soloist. Yeah, with some brainiac resilience. Bass hit. Just imagine how the speakers went. Once again, could he add some diamonds to it? Tell him bust it down, then it's only one for every way. This ain't stupid. Taking it from the top shit. It's a reason for the point. It sounds brilliant. What I like to hear, and it don't go out the other ear. Yeah, I swear, it sounds brilliant. Better than nothing, zero ain't shit really. Which is fantastic words they bring up to me. It sounds brilliant. Everything is great looking. It sounds brilliant.